Welcome to my channel. Today I'll guide you through how to change your verified email. Follow the steps so that you not mix any steps. If you're new to the channel, can you subscribe to my channel? Let's start. Listen, our motive is to change our verified email. If your email has been verified and you want to change, follow the steps so that you not mix it. Let's start. First, please watch the video to end so that you not mix it. First, launch your Roblox app like this, either your phone or your laptop. Here you launch like this. You see more. We come to see more. We click on see more. You can see more. So we have so many here. We have home, chat, avatar, party. You click on see more. So on the see more, it will bring in here. See more, we have so many menu here. Profile, friends, whatever. So you go to settings. You click on settings. So on the profile, you can change your username. You can do some editing here, whatever. You can go to message and you see the message that you have gotten or you've got. So I have one message here. So the message is from Roblox company. So when you click, you read what is inside. So you go to see more. You see, you go to more. The last one, it will bring you here. Go to settings. So you click on settings. So when you come to settings here, you have so many menu under it. You have account info, security, whatever. So you go to settings. Remember, our motive is to change our verified email. So it will bring you us here. So when you bring you here, you see I have not added my email here, but I have my date of birth here. But when you want to change your email, you have to change your date of birth to below 13 years. 13 years and below. So if you want to change your email, without that you can't change your email. When you change below 13 years, the email will change. I have a video how to change your Roblox email. You have to change. So here you see date of birth here. You click here. If you are under 13 years, you can't verify. But if you are already verified, you see a pencil here. You click and you change the email here or the date of birth here. You change it. You change whatever you want. So when you do that, you click continue. It will ask you for your ID card. So you type either your country ID card or your passport information. It's ID. So it will list the relevant ID so that you put it in there to save within 3-4 minutes or 3 days. We will also change your email or we will change your date of birth for you. So this is how to change your verified date of birth. Can you subscribe to my channel? Bye bye.